Storms we got last night caused quite a bit of damage across western New York. A storm front blew the roof off this barn in the town of Portland in Chautauqua County. And there was also plenty of damage in Erie County. This huge tree fell on top of a house in Gowanda. No injuries were reported in either case, but I can tell you we have gotten a number of photos into the newsroom of damage all across that area. Some scary storms here last night, Kaylee.
Yeah, they definitely packed a punch, and we've got a ton of reports into our newsroom and into our weather systems showing you just how much damage those winds did. And that really was the biggest primary concern. Early on in the day yesterday, we were forecasting for straight line winds, and at this point, that's what looks like happened. We do have reports of over 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, which is a lot, especially when it moves through pretty quickly. You'll notice we've also got reports of wires and trees down in Chautauqua and Cattaraugus County, and in addition to that, all the way up into Erie County as well. So definitely packed a punch late last night and early this morning. For now, we've got some rain showing up on the radar, but it is nothing like what we experienced last night. Here's a look at Orleans and Monroe County. Here's where a lot of the rain is falling right now, but over the last hour or so, these really have weakened. So earlier on, we had a couple lightning strikes, but now just some garden variety showers. And a little bit more light rain falling right near Clarence. If you're traveling along the 90 eastbound, you may come across some of the rain, but overall, really spotty and really not an issue as we move through the next little while here. That being said, we are tracking a couple of showers that will move through areas south of Buffalo a bit later on tonight. And the reason that I'm stressing this time frame between about 9 and 10 is because, well, a lot of people out at New Era Field for that U2 concert. And I do think, unfortunately, there will be a few spotty showers around before we can say things will clear up overnight. Now, overnight tonight, we are going to clear out, and that is the case for early tomorrow morning. So when you put the kids on the bus for the second day of school, won't likely be an issue, but throughout the afternoon, we will see new rain showers develop. That happens at about 11, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and then later on tomorrow night, those kind of clear out again, and we've got a really similar setup to what we'll see today. Now, Thursday, things get a little bit different, and here's why. Throughout the morning, we've got some heavy downpours forecasted, and then throughout the afternoon and into the evening, things intensify even more. So this is likely our next chance for some severe weather here in the Queen City, Thursday night into Friday's time frame. Right now, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 60s for Buffalo and the Falls. Now, when the rain showers moved through, we had things get a little bit cooler by about 4 or 5 degrees, but that's about it. We are expecting some bigger changes, though, heading into the evening hours of tonight. And it's not only with the temperature, it's with these winds as well. Right now, kind of breezy out there. You can definitely feel it if you step outside, but those are going to be backing off to between about 5 and 10 miles per hour as we get into the later portions of the evening. Now, light winds, cool temperatures, wet grounds, those are all the perfect setup for some patchy valley fog, and that's exactly what we'll be seeing tonight. It's mainly south of Buffalo, but the reason I'm stressing it is because it will become pretty dense, so it will likely cause some problems for that morning commute, again, across the southern tier and areas south of, say, Springville. Areas north will get some patchy fog, but it won't be anything too intense. Now, as we get towards tomorrow, we mentioned it, we've got a couple of showers around for the afternoon, but overall, going to be a day that's pretty similar today. We're not anticipating any severe weather, kind of on the cooler end of things, feeling a bit more like fall and a bit more like September than what we've seen in recent days. And then notice that kind of chill sticks around through Thursday, through Friday, through Saturday. But here's where things start to get a bit better. Sunday, we've got bright sunshine around, and although we top out only at 70 degrees, notice what happens for Monday and Tuesday. Those highs climb a bit closer to 80 rather than that 70-degree mark.
Well, thank you, Kaylee. Now, at the same time,